Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to monetize your Facebook page. Let's go, but before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos, and let's dive in. So, to monetize your Facebook page, here's what Facebook says about that. The requirements for video on demand is that you must have more than 5,000 followers and 60,000 total minutes viewed in last 60 days. And of course, the page has at least 5 active videos or more. And after you become eligible for monetization and you turn on in-stream ads for your content, you must continue to meet eligibility requirements or you might lose access to in-stream ads. And the requirements for live videos, you must have minimum 10,000 followers and 600,000 of total minutes viewed in last 60 days. Of course, these conditions are higher. And that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos. And goodbye.